Welcome to Compeq Computer Education. In this video, we are going to discuss how to make practical GST bill. That means the way the bill are made in day-to-day life. Suppose if I am making a bill, I am selling a jacket to a person for 2000 rupees. And if I am making a bill like this, like one jacket for 2000 rupees, and then I am going and putting the CGST and SGST over here. Now we find that the total amount of the bill is more than what we are expecting. Actually, we want 2000 as the final amount, but here 2000 plus 100 rupees tax, 50 plus 50 makes it 2100. So we want 2000, that means the price of the jacket plus tax should be 2000, not 2100. For that, we'll press F12. In F12, we'll go and there is an option called provide rate inclusive of tax for stock items, and I'll make this option as yes. After making this option yes, we are having an additional column in the tally. Here I am going to write 2000, that is what my selling price is, and I am going to hit enter, and now computer is going to bifurcate the value. So 1904 rupee 76 paisa plus the tax amount, and here I am getting total amount as 2000. Sometimes there might be an error that here I am getting amount in paisa, that means something a little more or little less, like 1-2 paisa more or less. Then in that case we have to do round off also. So we have to make a round off account in direct expense, and here I am going to select invoice rounding, normal rounding, limit 1. Here we don't need that, that's why there is nothing over here, but if we need that, then the rounding figure will come automatically. We'll take one more example for the case. Suppose I am selling other jacket for 999 rupees. So here I am making the amount, computer is making the calculations, output CGST, output SGST, and here you see that the amount is 999.01. So I'll do the round off and computer will automatically track the value, and in this way the exact bill is being made. Thank you very much.